You know, as the sun's coming up, I'm reminiscent of the days back when I was a police officer in Huntsville, working third shift. It always fascinated me when the sun would come up. I caught many sunrises on the top of Monte Sano Mountain, on the back side of it, facing east. Saw some really pretty sunrises coming up over the valley there behind Monte Sano. Beautiful country up there. Anyway, after I left the police department, I got a desk job and I found myself driving to work facing the sun and coming home to work facing the sun. So my work location seemed to always be east of where I was traveling. So I always had to face the sun coming to work, and it used to annoy me because, you know, I was trying to drive. Anyway, the other thing is you know, I got used to daytime sleeping again. I've never been much of a morning person. You know, I've always pretty much oozed out of bed rather than get out of bed. Anyway, as I'm getting older, I'm much more prone to getting up when I wake up, whatever time that is. And I get to see these sunrises again. And the key to a good sunrise, by the way, is clouds. Not a lot. If you look over there, you can see the orange coming up over the horizon, and you can see the colors of the sun bouncing off those clouds over there. You get these really beautiful purple hues before the sun really hits the horizon a little bit, and then it turns orange. If you're really lucky and you got some good cloud coverage, you get this really nice pink hue. And quite frankly, I see more of that in Florida than I have anywhere else I've ever been. These pink clouds, they're really prevalent in the afternoon too, you know, especially during the rainy season. On this day, you can see the sliver of the moon up there. I don't know if you can see it on this camera or not, but it's going to be a beautiful sunrise today. I'm blessed to be able to see it. Maybe that's why I'm so fascinated with sunrises these days, and the sun plays such a prominent part in my videos. Just glad to wake up and see a new day. I hope you are too. It's going to be a great day.